Good morning, dear students. As you know, we are going to begin our new session. Now you are in class 8. We will start our GK with the chapter first, cultivation. Dear students, you already studied about cultivation in the last class in GK. Which type of cultivation is there? That type of thing already we discussed. Now in this class, we will discuss about cultivation type. What is cultivation? What is cultivation types? Dear students, as you know, whenever we are going to start our life from ancient time, in ancient history also you know that people survive on agriculture only, and from that time human know about the cultivation. So in this chapter we will discuss all that thing, how so cultivation occur and how cultivation is going to start in ancient time, and all that thing I will mention you in this chapter. This chapter is part of GK only. Cultivation is the process of preparing the soil for the raising of crops. Means whenever you are going to preparing of the soil for the purpose of growing crops, that type of thing, that type of action is known as cultivation. Means cultivate the land for purposing the growing the crops. Dear students, many types of cultivations are there. We can say that some scientific names of cultivations are also there. If we talk about till now, we know that only about the form cultivation, like we have to grow grains, pulse, crops and flowers and vegetables and fruits. That type of thing we already know, but now in this chapter we will know about many much more things like agriculture. Agriculture is also the branch of the scientific cultivation, and horticulture is also branch, viticulture, apiculture, sericulture, pisciculture, aquaculture and arboriculture. Dear students, these are the some scientific names of cultivation. Means you can study about that thing in the branch of science in agriculture. You can mention about that type of things. What is agriculture? In agriculture, what we have to learn? In horticulture, what is the viticulture? That type of thing we have to study in agriculture also only. Because of that, we are going to talk about cultivation. We will cover that thing only. Dear students, in your textbook, exercise is also already given. The following are the scientific names of cultivation. Match the following. Like first is given here agriculture, second is given here horticulture, third is given here viticulture, apiculture, sericulture, pisciculture, aquaculture and arboriculture. Dear students, at first if we talk about agriculture, what is agriculture? Then you have to cover the point number B. Science of cultivating the soil and rearing animals. Means whenever you are starting to cultivate the land or soil and rearing the animals, that is known as agriculture. So you have to match the option 1 agriculture to B. Means first you have to match with B. Means agriculture is belong to science of cultivating the soil and rearing animals. Second is given here horticulture. Dear students, if we talk about horticulture, then horticulture is a science or horticulture is a branch of agriculture. In this branch, we are saying about cultivation of gardens or occurs including vegetables, flowers and fruits. Means whenever you are going to study about vegetables, gardens and fruits cultivation, that type of thing is in horticulture. So you have to match point number B with H. Means horticulture belong to cultivation of gardens or occurs including vegetables, flowers and fruits. Now third one is viticulture. Yes students, if we talk about viticulture, then viticulture you know that viticulture belongs to cultivation of grapes. Means whenever you are going to cultivating of grape crop, then that is known as viticulture. So third one you have to match with D, cultivation of grapes. Dear students, now next fourth is here apiculture. Apiculture is the process, or we can say that cultivating or science branch of science. In this branch we study about the maintenance of the colonies of honeybees or the production of honeys. Means in this cultivation we have to maintain the colonies of honeybees or the production of honey. Means production of honey, that regarding processes we will study in the apiculture. So you have to match 4 point with the C, maintenance of the colonies of honeybees or the production of honey. Fifth point is here given sericulture. Sericulture, as you know that's belong to silk cultivating. Means silkworm and that type of practically you already studied in your class 7th science also. Sericulture Agriculture belong to production of raw silk and raising of silkworm. Means in this chapter, in this branch, we have to study about the production of raw silk and raising of silkworm. How silkworm's life is there, how eggs are there, how what is the life process of silkworm. All that thing we talk about in sericulture. Now 6 is here pisciculture. Dear students, if we talk about pisciculture, as you know that it is a branch of species of science. In this branch, we talk about breeding, rearing or hatching of the fish. Branch of that, in this branch we talk about breeding, rearing and hatching of fish. And 7th is here aquaculture. Dear students, aquaculture, as you know that aquaculture belongs to water, means cultivation of plant or breeding of animals in water. So you have to match point number 7 with A. Cultivation of plants or breeding of animals in water, that is known as aquaculture. And last one is here arboriculture. Dear students, if we talk about arboriculture, then arboriculture means cultivation of trees and shrubs. Mostly in arboriculture we have to talk about small shrubs, small herbs and trees. That is known as arboriculture. Dear students, it is about cultivation. Cultivation means we have to use the process of preparing the soil for the raising of crops. Means whenever you are going to prepare the soil, whenever you are going to prepare the soil for the process of raising the crops, that is known as cultivation. Cultivation means you have to produce some grains, pulse or that type of things. And some scientific terms of cultivation, this is the normal cultivation. In this cultivation, we will talk about only grains, pulse, legumes, oil seed, that type of thing. But if we talk about some scientific names of cultivation, it is too much different from normal cultivation. Because in this cultivation, we have to talk about first one is agriculture, means belongs to growing the crops and animal rearing process. Horticulture belong to gardening process. Gardening process means growing fruits, flowers, vegetables, that type of thing. Viticulture belonging to grape cultivation. Apiculture belonging to honeybee and honey production. Sericulture belonging to silk production and silkworm. Pisciculture belonging to fish and water, whatever we can say that water animals and that type of things will be in pisciculture. Aquaculture means water animals and water plants, whatever is being present in aqua means water, that type of thing. In species only we have to talk about fishes only, that type of thing you have to mention in your mind. Pisciculture belong to fishes and that belong to water animals and water plants. After that, arboriculture belong to trees and shrubs. Dear students, it's about the cultivation. You have to